to more
You're moving away from the point. Let me bring in
It's certainly against the womenhood.
You're not answering the question first of all, and you're moving. I asked you a specific question that if you're so upset about what has been said and the BJP, your party, is demanding that, you're obviously representing your party, aren't you?
Yes, certainly.
Yes, you are. So why hasn't some action been taken against Babulal Gaur, who made statements about rape victims, against Madhya Pradesh BJP leader who has persistently, who's become like a serial offender, Mr. Vijay Vargiya? No action taken.
Well, none of the BJP leaders has ever come on the TV or the public channels defending their particular statements, number one.
But no action has been taken, so it's okay. You've spoken about women, it's okay.
I think reprimanding them at the party forum is more than enough.
Oh, reprimanding them
so that they don't do it or repeat it again. But here, a constitutional member of the Maharashtra Women
Mr. Jolly, are you trying to suggest?
And you equate that with something which has happened in the past.
You're saying
it was never supported. It was condemned.
A reprimand, you're saying, is more than enough. Well, because obviously, you're going to make sure that these people never make these kind of statements in front of a camera, but the mindset can continue. Thank you so much. Let me ask Kirti Singh. A reprimand is going to change the mindset. Kirti Singh, isn't it a fact that all these political parties, when they make these statements, it is purely meant for the cameras? Nothing is done in terms of changing that mindset. Like Mr. Jolly is trying to say, a reprimand was given to Mr. Vijay Vargiya. Never say this again in a public forum. Good enough.
Well, yes, I think it's largely slow, but it's completely preposterous that nobody is talking about the violence that is done on a girl, and nobody is talking about the fact that a woman also has choices. And of course, you've pointed out that whether it's a child who's getting raped, more than 30% of rapes are child rapes, whether it's an old woman above 60 or 80 getting raped, it happens across all ages and more by neighbors and people who are known to the victim than others. But apart from that, why are we not talking about the freedom that a girl should enjoy in this country, that she should be able to go out at any time like all the boys do, and she should be able to go to see a movie or go out with a friend? And the talking about her dress means that you want to restrict her and blame her rather than the person who has committed this absolutely heinous, violent act. Rape is a question of power. When men wear shorts, they are not inviting rape. Why is it that when women wear salwar and kameez, or when they wear shorts maybe, or jeans, that they are said to be inviting rape? And this is absolutely wrong. I think the Maharashtra Commission member should not only apologize, but she should be removed, because it shows
Kirti Singh, by just removing her, by removing her, you might be creating an example. You might be making an example out of her. But does that really change mindset? Nagma, I mean, we immediately, the minute we hear such comments made, I want to bring in Nagma. And while such comments have become almost like, an epidemic, following the kind of heinous crimes that we've seen across the country, we hear these similar statements, not just from women's groups, but also from political parties. This person should be thrown out. But is that really the answer? Isn't it a change in mindset that is largely missing, and something that is going to be oft-repeated? They might become better at handling the cameras and not saying it in a public forum, but that is not the answer.
Yeah, then they won't influence people at least.